tell you how I think about this. And would you guys like to come in and sit?
We say fight back!
I'm sorry.
Strike! 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 I'll say
Hold it. Hey, dude, can you pass me?
Yeah.
strike! 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 Strike!
Our demands here.
Yeah, I'm not, because I have never been sent them.
Oh, you haven't seen them? They've been all over. I mean,
No, I've never.
We got some books in here.
Keep coming. Come on in. Well, I don't know what you're talking about.
We know that from the Provost Office there have been emails sent to a number of schools and departments.
That's untrue.
That's
untrue.
When faculty tell us that we're getting emails from your office, we're going to trust them and not you, especially.
That's untrue. And I'm just telling you, that's untrue. I have not sent a single communication out about this strike to anybody.
So you're willing to give an assurance that there won't be any more threats against workers or faculty?
I am not going to. I've never made a threat.
But can you
against
promise us that you're not going to threaten anybody?
Absolutely. I've never made a threat. I don't plan to make a threat. And there is no threat.
Can you promise that there will be no retaliation for participation in the strike?
Let me tell you how I think about this. And I believe deeply in that. I'm a lawyer. I've always, this is the world I live in.
So no one will face any repercussions, like staff are not going to suffer in their careers. Custodians have told me personally that they've been threatened by higher-ups for even talking about the strike.
I don't have any information about that whatsoever,
you're telling us
but let me tell you what I do think. A labor action or an action of conscience of any sort, you take it with the full knowledge that you are taking an action that may have consequences. So just to be clear, Martin Luther King did not ask for an excused absence.
Let her go! 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 Let her go!
I'm saying
that's less valuable than if you strike against it.
I'm saying that it's important for me to understand what I'm agreeing to if I agree to something, and I don't understand what I'm agreeing to. That's what I'm saying. Well, that's the fairest way.
Are there specific ways that you, as the university administration,
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds. I actually have a picture of his badge here. This is actually a DP. And then this is the license plate number on the
I never get passionate. I'm a very demure person.
Yeah, right.
Y'all have a good day. You do the same. Thank you.